Introduce one of the most advanced indicator in TradingView that generates amazing buy-sell signals. To add this wonderful indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search machine learning. We add this one. Machine Learning Lorentzian Classification, which is an editor specs indicator, and it's written by someone named J.D. Horty, if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Alright, this is the indicator, and as the name indicates, it's built based on machine learning algorithm. If you don't know what machine learning is, it's a branch of artificial intelligence which focuses on using statistical techniques to intimate the way that humans learn. So the system learns from available data and gradually improves its accuracy. This indicator uses a special algorithm which is called Lorentzian distance classifier alongside with another algorithm named approximate nearest neighbors, which are proved to be useful in predicting the direction of future price movements. I don't get into more details regarding the algorithm behind this indicator. You can check the page of the author of this indicator on TradingView. He completely explained the algorithm and the code is also available there for more investigation. I thank him for his great effort for making this amazing indicator and offering it for free on TradingView. Alright, now let's see what this indicator tells us and how we can use it for trading. Let's begin with these numbers that we have below each candle. As you can see, these are the categories that the model assigns to each candle. If you remember, I said this indicator uses a special algorithm named approximate nearest neighbors, and by default the neighbors count is set at 8. So on the chart we see numbers that are ranging from -8 to +8. More positive numbers show more bullish sentiment and more negative numbers show more bearish sentiment. So by the default settings, the candles that have -8 based on the model, they show the highest bearish sentiment, and on the other hand, the candles that have +8, they show the highest bullish sentiment, and any number in between is categorized relatively. When we have a sequence of 8, whether positive or negative, it shows strong movement of the market. For example, here starting from this point, you can see that we have sequence of 8 which shows very bullish sentiment, and you can see how the price is increasing exponentially. Also, having a pattern of increasing or decreasing numbers towards the center show changing in the sentiment. For example, here after this declining of the price in this area, you can see that when we generally look at the numbers, they are changing from -8 to -4, and this tells us that the declining of the price is weakening and we have increased bullish sentiment. This can result to a reversal or can result to a flat market, which is the case here. As you can see, the numbers are useful for evaluating the market sentiment, but if you find it distracting, you can simply remove them from settings here in the style tab by unchecking labels. Alright, here we have a line that changes color between green and red. As you can see, when it's green, the direction is up, and when it's red, the direction is down. This line is built based on kernel regression model, and in this indicator, it actually shows an additional confirmation of the predictions that this indicator makes. The predictions that this indicator makes are shown by the help of this green and red labels, as you can see on the chart. When a red label appears, it's a selling signal, and when a green label appears, it's a buying signal. Once the candle is closed, it will not repaint and the label will be fixed at that point. But when the candle is still open, you may see that the label coming and going. So you must wait until the candle is closed, and when the candle is closed and the label remains active, it's a confirmed signal based on this indicator. Also, sometimes we have signals that the label is a little bit darker, like this one, which is related to the model's confidence. So these are considered weaker signals. The result of the generated signals are shown here in this table, but it's not a robust backtesting method as the author explained on his page, and it just reflects if the trades were profitable until 4 candles are passed. It still gives you an idea how accurate are the generated signals regardless of the profit they could make, and it's extremely helpful for real-time optimization of the indicator settings, so you can fine-tune it based on your trading strategy to achieve the best performance. This result is for taking these signals regardless of the overall direction of the market, and we can considerably increase the accuracy by avoiding the signals that are against the current direction of the market. For example, I add RSI to our chart, this one, and in its settings here for its time frame in the inputs tab, since our chart is set on 1 day time frame, here for RSI time frame we set it at 1 week, So it will show us the overall direction of the market on higher time frame. If you're familiar with RSI, you know that when RSI is below 50, the market is considered to be in a downtrend. So here we only take the short position signals. These buying signals are not confirmed by RSI, only this one would be a false signal. And on the other hand, when RSI is above 50, the market is considered to be in an uptrend. So we only take the buying signals. None of these short position signals are confirmed by RSI, as you can see. This was just an example to show you how this indicator must be used in practice so that you can filter the false signals and increase your win rate even higher. This indicator is backed by powerful algorithms and it generates highly accurate buy-sell signals, but like any other tools in technical analysis, you should never take your trading decisions only based on this indicator, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools and aspects of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.